So what we have here is we've got two properties belong to two brothers. One is about 1,200 square foot, the other is about 2,600 square foot. The first one has 3 bedrooms in it, and the second one has 4 bedrooms, and it also has an office on the upper level.
We are over 100 years old now. We're one of those rare companies, and you know, the air to water market and the heating and cooling market is 60 years old.
So Emmet has designed a house here that's 1 bedroom deep, so you get the views are all to the north, and you've glazing on the south, so that means that the house is naturally heated, and then the heat unit kicks in and does its job at night time and in the winter.
We will meet the householder, in some cases the developer and the plumber, and say, look, the questions that we ask first day is what we can take away, and I say, look, we come back, meet the builder, meet the mechanical contractor, offer them the solutions that we've come up with. Again, that can be amended.
We have what we call TCAP, and TCAP means total capacity. It literally means down to -20 we'll get full output from the heat pump. We have no drop off in temperature. So if we have set a target temperature for a customer and it's -3 or -7 or -12, it will maintain that. And that is the key to making sure your house is designed properly.
Being so close to the sea, we obviously had to take into consideration by golding the heat pumps for longevity from the sea air and so on.
We will make sure that a heat pump is treated. It's a prerequisite in Ireland now, and we are offering him the best system he could get possibly for the house as well, with the best efficiency. So Heat Merchants helped on the design, but Panasonic also helped on the specification from start to finish as well.
With Part L regulations and that after coming into the housing industry, all builders will have to provide a renewable source to the houses, and the heat pump has taken off in a dramatic way. All new housing developments, all new houses, single and private one-off houses, are all using heat pumps in their projects at this moment in time.
Now with the houses being so well insulated to an NZEB regulation, you size them on the hot water requirement. And having a heat pump that can do 65 degrees means you don't need immersion use for sterilisation. The heat pump does it from the compressor only.
We've been using heat pumps long before you had to use a heat pump, and we've been using better insulation long before you had to use it. The regulations have caught up with us, but we've always used the Panasonic system because it works. It's as simple as that.
The smart cloud element is what we give to the customer. They can have information on their phone, on the laptop or iPad, where they can see the running of their system. But we've brought in intuitive, preemptive fault finding on the cloud. We call it the service cloud. So it means that if something starts to go wrong on the heat pump, it'll notify us or the installer or Heat Merchants.
Every house, every project that we've used it on have been happy with it. So we tend to stick with it because of that reason. And the after sales and everything that comes with it are all exemplary. The client is happy, builder is happy, plumber is happy.
Hence the reason why so many of our products go in and are used by the consultants and architects in their own homes. It's testament to the quality of the product itself.